Hello and welcome back to Programming Horizons. Today we are going to build a fun multiple choice quiz project in Python. Here we are building a program that will ask the users 5 multiple choice questions. Each question has 4 options. When the user selects an answer, the program tells them if it is correct. For every correct answer, the user will get 1 point. At the end, the program shows the total score to the user with a short message. Alright, now grab your Python IDE and get started. I'm inside PyCharm IDE and now I have created a new project here and named it as Quiz Project. Now inside the main.py file of this project, we are going to create two functions. The first function will be used to display the question and its options and also to check whether the user has entered the correct option or not, while the second function will be used to calculate the total score. Alright, right now I am going to define my first function using the keyword def. The name of this function is checkAnswer. This function will accept three parameters. First is question, second is a list of options, and third is correct answer. We will pass the values of these parameters later on during the function call statement. Right now, inside this function, I am going to put a docstring to indicate what this function does. So basically, this is a function to ask a question, display the options of this question, and to check users' answers. Alright. In the next statement, I am going to print the question in a new line. So /n indicates new line and plus means in the next line, in a new line, display the question. After this, we are going to display all the options one by one. So for option in options, that means for every option in the list of options that we supply here, we are going to print that option. Now after this statement, we will be getting the user input in a new variable called user input, and here we will use input function, and inside this function we will prompt the user enter your option, and then we will tell them what options do they have, A, B, C or D. And after that I will use strip function so that in case user enters a white space while entering the option, then strip function will remove any of those white spaces. And if the user uses a lowercase character, then we will use upper function to convert that lowercase character to uppercase. Next, we will check the user's answer against the correct answer. So we will basically match the user's answer with the correct answer. So we are saying if the user input is equal to the correct answer that we have supplied as the third parameter while defining the function, then in that case we will print this message /n correct answer, and in the next statement we will return 1. Now this return 1 means for every correct answer we will give 1 point to the user. Otherwise, if the user enters a wrong option, then we will display this message wrong answer, and the correct answer is, or you can say the correct option is, and after that we will be passing this statement as an f string here inside the print function so that we can display the correct answer for the user, and we will return 0. That means if the user enters a wrong option, then we will give him 0 points. Alright, with this we complete our first function, which is checkAnswer function. Now it's time to define our second function, which is the main function to run the quiz. Let's call this function as run quiz, and as always def is the keyword with which we define our function. Now inside this function I am passing this doc string to tell what this function does. So this is the main function to run the quiz, and after that, as the first statement inside the function, we will be displaying a welcome message for the user. So welcome to the Python quiz game, and in the next line we will ask the user to answer the following 5 questions, and then we will also be keeping track of the user score. So initialize score to 0 here. Our variable name is score and we initialize it to 0. Now we are going to enter, or you can say display, the 5 questions and update the score accordingly. So here we are updating the score, we are incrementing the score based on the result of a particular question, based on the option that the user chooses while answering a question. Alright, in order to update the score, we will have to first display the question and its options and then tell the user whether the answer was correct or not, and this logic has already been implemented in the above function. So here I am calling this check answer function, the above function that we had already defined, and now here we have to pass 3 parameters. First is question, second is a list of options, and third is correct answer. Let's begin by typing our first question. We will pass our question as a string. Let's say my first question is, what is the capital city of France? And after that I will put a comma. Then I will supply a list of options here. So my option A is Berlin, option B is Mumbai, option C is Paris, and option D is Sydney. After that I will again put a comma outside this pair of square brackets. I will put here the correct option, which is C, since Paris is the capital city of France. In the same way, we will update the score once again for the second question. So in case the user chooses the correct option for the first question, say if the user chooses C, user will get 1 point for the first correct answer. In the same way, for the second answer, if the correct answer is chosen, the score will be again incremented by 1, so score will become 2. Then similarly for third question, fourth question and fifth question. And if the user by chance chooses the wrong answer, then 0 will be added, because we have already told this logic inside our check answer function that if the user chooses the correct answer, then we will return 1 point, otherwise we will return 0 point. And based on this logic, we are incrementing and updating the score here. Alright, now it's time to put my second question, which is, which keyword is used in Python to define a function? And once again I will supply here a list of options. So my first option is FUNC, second option is DEF, third option is fun, and fourth option is function. We already know the correct answer is B. Now in the same way I will type here the other 3 questions. So here I have entered all the 5 questions along with their options and correct answers. Now it's time to display the final score. So here we will print an F string like this. Your final score is, and after that I will be displaying here the final value of score variable, and then we will also display a message in the end for the user based on the score value. So if score is equal to 5, then we will display here excellent, you got all correct. Otherwise, if the score is less than 5 but greater than or equal to 3, then we will display well done, you are almost there. And if the score is less than 3, then we will display you need more practice, better luck next time. Okay, with this we complete our second function also, and now we will call the run quiz function here. Make sure to leave 2 lines space before and after the function, and here let's call this function. Now let's run this quiz. So here we get to see the first message, welcome to the Python quiz game, then answer the following 5 questions. Then our first question is displayed along with all the 4 options. Then we have this prompt, enter your option. So what is the capital city of France? I know it is Paris, so I choose option C, and we got this message, correct answer. Next is, which keyword is used in Python to define a function? I know it is B. Now see here that if I choose small letter b, then also I get correct answer. This is because we had used upper function which converts this lowercase letter to uppercase, and since B is the correct option, so even lowercase b is considered as correct answer. Third question is, what is the output of print 2 plus 3 multiplied by 2? Now here we will perform multiplication first. So 3 multiplied by 2 will give us 6, plus 2 will be 8. So I know the correct answer is B, but let's choose option A as the correct answer. So we have got wrong answer. The correct option is B. Alright, next is, which planet is known as the red planet? I know it is Mars, but let's choose option A, Earth. And once again we got wrong answer. The correct option is D. Then last is, what will len Python is fun return? Now here len is the inbuilt length function in Python which calculates the length of a string based on the number of characters including white spaces and punctuation marks. Now in this case we have got 6 plus 1 plus 2, that makes it 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 characters. So the correct option is C, and we have got correct answer. Then we have your final score is 3. Well done, you are almost there. That's it everyone. Here you have a simple interactive quiz which is a great way to practice Python basics including functions, conditionals, loops and user input. If you want, you can make changes to this quiz by adding your own questions or increasing the number of questions. Try it out with your friends and have fun. So everyone, if you enjoyed this tutorial, then don't forget to like and subscribe Programming Horizons for more beginner friendly videos like this. Also drop your comments if you would like to watch a GUI based quiz in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, happy coding!